To add smooth and professional-looking transition effects to your Adobe Premiere Pro project, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have your clips arranged in the timeline where you want the transition to occur. If you need to adjust the timing, simply drag the clips accordingly. To add a default transition, right-click on the cut between the clips and select Apply Default Transition. This will add a cross-dissolve for the video and a constant gain for the audio. If you wish to remove one of these transitions, just select it and press the Delete key on your keyboard. To adjust the duration of the transition, hover over the end of it and drag it to your desired length. This allows you to customize the timing of the transition to suit your project's needs. If you encounter an error message when adding a transition to untrimmed clips, simply trim the end of the first clip and the beginning of the second clip. This provides the necessary footage for a smooth transition. For alternative transition effects, navigate to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, then navigate to Effects to reveal it. Expand either the Video Transition or Audio Transition folders and choose a transition effect you prefer. Drag it onto the cut between your clips in the timeline to apply it. To access advanced settings for your transition, select it on the timeline and go to Effect Controls. Here you can preview the transition and adjust settings such as direction. By selecting one of the arrows, you can control the direction of the transition to achieve the desired effect. If your transition appears stuck to one side instead of centered between clips, you can fix this by adjusting the alignment setting in Effect Controls to Center at Cut. This ensures that the transition remains centered between your clips for a polished look. By following these steps, you can easily add transition effects to your Adobe Premiere Pro project, enhancing the visual flow of your video seamlessly.